The problem being the hole in the plunger shaft is drilled crooked to the casting. It's unbelievable. I think it'll work though. So, and the other, you know, this other seat down in here is iffy. But I'm gonna put this down in there, and then I'm gonna put this fitting in there with some of that gasola. But I done already cut that fitting like that right there, so that it would not check. Fuel can get up those. Oh yeah, I'll pump that plunger right there. Hey, y'all watch that fuel come out of that line right there. This is the way it would be on to the engine. That's all you're going to see right there. That's all they pump. Keeps that sediment bowl. Keeps that mixer bowl full of fuel. That's to the excessive. You may take notice. You may take notice that I've got this rocker arm mechanism back onto the unit in lieu of this other one that's in really good condition. This one being adjusted to the inaccuracy of the fuel pump body. Everything is, I guess they took a grinder to it or something to fit it all together. The distance between the center of this and the center of this stud is different than original. So this right here is pretty much dedicated to itself. But and when this would be on the engine, your exhaust rod would go forward and your cam would roll on this roller, the eccentric part, thereby moving the whole mechanism. To pump fuel, this is pretty much all that takes place. And you can see just a few strokes there, and we got fuel pumping. And we don't have any leaks around the packing. So let's get this onto that engine and get it started up. And we'll break this set down, take this identical, put it right onto the engine.